Welcome to AMABestChoice.com. In this video, we've handpicked the 5 best mini PCs for gaming on Amazon to bring you a compact gaming experience like never before. Dive into the world of powerful processors, high-speed RAM, and impressive graphics, all packed into these mini PCs that redefine gaming on a smaller scale. Number 1.
The ACEMAGICIAN Mini Gaming PC stands out as a powerhouse in the realm of compact gaming systems. Its AMD Ryzen 7 5700U processor, boasting 8 cores and 16 threads, delivers an impressive performance boost of 30% in CPU and 35% in GPU capabilities compared to its predecessors. This mini PC is a gaming marvel, fueled by the potent combination of the AMD Zen 3 Ryzen 7 5700U processor and Radeon RX Vega 8 graphics running at 2000 MHz. The system effortlessly handles popular titles like Apex, CSGO, PUBG, COD, Dota 2, Rust, GTA 5, and more with remarkable ease. The inclusion of dual 1G and 2.5G RJ45 ports ensures lightning-fast network speeds, ideal for gaming, work, and internet activities. With a dual-channel 16GB RAM and a 512GB SSD. This mini gaming PC offers the perfect balance of speed and storage, allowing for smooth multitasking and high-performance operations. Additionally, the option to expand storage up to 2 TB with an additional 2.5 inches SSD caters to individual needs. The 4K triple display outputs, facilitated by HDMI, DisplayPort, and Type-C ports, provide a visually stunning and efficient workspace. In summary, the ACEMAGICIAN Mini Gaming PC is a compact marvel that seamlessly combines power, versatility, and impressive graphics, making it the best choice for gamers seeking a high-performance mini PC.
Number 2.
The GEEKOM Mini PC, featuring the cutting-edge 13th General Intel Core i9-13900H processor, establishes itself as the ultimate gaming powerhouse in the mini PC arena. With 14 cores, 20 threads, and a clock speed of up to 5.40 GHz. This mini PC delivers unparalleled performance while maintaining an energy-efficient profile with a mere 90 watts power consumption, making it an eco-friendly choice for continuous use. The inclusion of 32GB 3200 MHz DDR4 RAM and a lightning-fast 2 TB PC Gen 4 SSD ensures seamless multitasking and rapid data access, setting a new standard for mini PC performance. The graphics capabilities, courtesy of Intel Iris Xe graphics and support for dual 8K displays and 2 4K displays simultaneously, provide an immersive gaming experience with lifelike visuals. With advanced connectivity options, including Wi-Fi 6E, 2.5G/5G/6G triple band, and Bluetooth 5.2, the GEEKOM i9 Mini PC ensures low latency, high-speed internet, and efficient wireless device connections. The pre-installed Windows 11 Pro system, adaptable to Windows 10 Pro and Linux, adds to the versatility of this mini PC. Backed by a 3-year limited warranty and lifetime professional customer service, the GEEKOM Mini PC stands out as the best choice for gamers seeking top-tier performance in a compact form factor.
Number 3.
The Blackview MP60 Mini PC stands out as a compact powerhouse, offering a perfect blend of size and performance for gaming enthusiasts. Its sleek design, measuring just 5 x 5 x 2.1 in, ensures easy placement in tight workspaces. And the included VESA bracket allows it to be mounted on the back of a large monitor, saving valuable desk space. Powered by the Intel Celeron processor N5095, clocked at up to 2.9 GHz and equipped with Intel UHD graphics. This mini PC delivers a seamless and responsive gaming experience, handling tasks from internet browsing to professional photo editing with ease. With an impressive 16GB DDR4 RAM and a 512GB M.2 SSD, expandable up to 2 TB. The MP60 boots up swiftly and runs smoothly, making it ideal for multitasking and demanding applications. The comprehensive connectivity options, including USB 2.0 and 3.0 ports, HDMI, Gigabit Ethernet, and dual-band Wi-Fi, ensure seamless integration with various peripherals and high-speed network capabilities. The UHD 4K dual screens display support, with Intel UHD graphics capable of handling 4K video and gaming, further enhances the gaming experience. In conclusion, the Blackview MP60 Mini PC stands out as the best choice for gaming enthusiasts seeking a compact, powerful, and feature-rich solution that doesn't compromise on performance or versatility.
Number 4.
The Beelink Ser 5 Mini PC stands as an exemplary choice for gaming enthusiasts seeking a compact yet powerful solution. With its AMD Ryzen 5800H processor, boasting 8 cores and 16 threads clocked at 3.2 GHz, up to 4.4 GHz, this mini PC transforms any desk into a formidable gaming workstation. Pre-installed with Windows 11 and devoid of bloatware, the Ser 5 excels not only in gaming but also in video and photo editing, office tasks, 4K video playback, and virtualization work. The compact design is complemented by a rich interface featuring Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, Gigabit Ethernet, and a variety of ports, including Type-C, HDMI, DP, USB 3.2, and more. The triple display output supporting 4K at 60 Hz provides a multitasking paradise, making it versatile enough for internet browsing, Microsoft Office, Adobe applications, 4K video playback, and gaming. The ample storage, including dual-channel DDR4 2x8 GB RAM, and a 500GB M.2 NVMe SSD, expandable to 64GB RAM and additional storage via SATA HDD, ensures swift and efficient performance. The ABS frame and smart cooling design contribute to effective heat dissipation. Overall, the Beelink Ser 5 Mini PC is a powerhouse, delivering a fantastic gaming experience in a compact form factor. Backed by a 1-year worry-free warranty, lifetime technical support, and responsive customer service.
Number 5.
The KAMRUI Mini PC, featuring the powerful 11th General Intel Core i5-12450H processor, emerges as an outstanding choice for gaming enthusiasts seeking a compact yet high-performance solution. With a max turbo frequency of 4.4 GHz, 4 cores, and 8 threads, this mini PC delivers efficient and superlative performance for various home and business applications, ensuring a smooth experience in every gaming scenario. The inclusion of 16GB DDR4 RAM and a 512GB M.2 SSD provides high-speed operation and eliminates lag, making it an ideal platform for demanding workloads. The Mini PC ensures a stable connection and fast transmission with USB 3.0 and USB-C ports, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.2, offering faster data transfers and extended coverage. Its 4K UHD resolution and support for triple displays, facilitated by Intel Iris Plus Graphics 655, make it an excellent choice for a home theater PC or gaming setup. Additionally, the Mini PC's versatility extends to industrial applications, data monitoring, security systems, education, and multimedia equipment. In summary, the KAMRUI Mini PC stands out as the best choice for gaming, combining powerful performance, connectivity, and versatility in a compact form factor.